Hello everybody, my name is Ohnemus. I'm the president and CEO from dacadoo here in Switzerland. Today I'm going to talk with you around the whole issue of hyper-personalization in the life and health insurance industry. We're seeing two mega trends that are happening. We're seeing the increase in the overall health insurance premium, which are of course exploding. Alone in America, we see that they are planning 6.5% increase in 2023. And we are seeing around a 6% increase across Switzerland, etc. The two key drivers, of course, are we are all getting older and obesity, meaning chronic diseases. Today, around 70%, 70, are the overall costs that are associated with chronic diseases. So the big challenge for life and health insurance operators will be to roll out hyper-personalization, and that's what we're going to cover today. So when you look at it, hyper-personalization is of course all about IoT devices. The first edition was smartwatches. You can see I'm wearing one here, but smartwatches was just the beginning. We are now seeing sensors in your arm that reach your glucose, toilet seats, without being funny, that measures your body weight, your blood pressure, your body temperature. And that's of course only going to get more and more hyper-personalized. So it's all about creating an integrated data platform. Very important other point is that both Google and Apple has agreed on a standard format for digital health information, and that's going to make hyper-personalization even more powerful. This format is called FHIR, spelled F-I-H-R, and that will make it a lot easier to share medical information. So why is healthcare important? And why is this going to deliver a very unique growth opportunity to not only life and health insurance operators, but companies around the ecosystem? Because life and health today is about, according to Standard & Poor's, is 15% of the global industry. On top of that, you have 40% of the S&P 500 companies that are directly or indirectly in the healthcare business. So this could be nutrition, this could be, chips. This could be any kind of communication. It could be anything that is around the whole healthcare and well-being industry. So hyper-personalization is about offering something that you are looking for. At dacadoo, we call it #WeCare, meaning that you have a vision and a passion about making life better and healthier for other people. So as a life and health insurance operator, you have a key interest in that I live longer, that I'm healthier, because that means less cost to the insurance operator or less payout to the health insurance operator. So we will see completely new distribution channels in hyper-personalization. At dacadoo, we believe supermarkets or retailers will move in. We believe telcos will move in. You of course know banks from bank assurance, but we think it's going to be a lot more evolving around integrated platform economies, where the hyper-personalization is the more you know about the consumer's life, the more you know about their health, the better you can drive forward the overall hyper-personalization. Hyper-personalization means it's all about me, and it's looking after my life and after my health and well-being. So the overall system that we're going to see is going to be multiple stakeholders playing. It would be doctors, it would be primary care, it would be secondary care, and they will all exchange information in the FHIR format that I mentioned before. So if you think about mobile, you would think GSM and CDMA. So those were the standards that built mobile communication. Then came the internet. So HTML kind of defined the internet and gave the global breakthrough to the internet. And now the FHIR format will integrate governments, hospitals, insurance companies, retail, devices, etc. All this will come into one hyper-personalized platform economy. So what are going to be the key trends? I'm personally, as you know, if you know us, if you don't, I'm a big believer in AI. I'm a big believer in AI with personalization. So basically, AI is about helping understanding my life and providing a better life. 54% of all insurance companies report that they have moved into AI and that they have made personal, very good experiences with AI. So to wrap up today and to close off today, hyper-personalization will come into insurance. It's all about, as I said before, standard exchange of medical and data in the FHIR format. It's all about making an importance out of this data. So basically you have upstream, you have what we call #WeCare. So all this is about personalization and prevention. And downstream, it's about predicting and ensuring and getting the right risk on your book. Thank you so much for listening today. You can reach me under Ohnemus@dacadoo.com. And basically, what we believe will help you sell more, grow your business, and get closer to the consumer's life is hyper-personalization. Thank you so much for listening in today. Have a great day and #WeCare.